Hello friends, I am Parijat Kulkarni from Codemaster. Okay, now today we are going to make an app that makes various sounds. Then you have to go on code.org. Okay, code.org. Enter. Then you have to sign in. You have to sign in with Google. Okay, now tap on create, then go in app lab because we have to make an app which makes sounds, so it is an app, so we have to go in app lab, rename it as uh, animal sounds, and save it. Now go in design. Then do you have any idea about design? Design is to Design is to give some buttons or give labels, radio, or means the switcher button or else. So first we have to drag a button, increase the size of the button, and give ID as elephant, ELEPHANT sound, and here give ELEPHANT. This is a text of the button, and so increase the font as we can say as 18. Okay, now you can choose background color and text color also if you want. Then again drag another button, place it here, go here, and now take this button to near. Always remember, while designing the app, always keep your screen neat. Okay, now we will give ID as dolphin sound, and here as dolphin. Oh, here as TOLPHIN. And increase his size. Oh, where it gone? Yeah, as 15 you can give, or give as 18. Okay, you can choose image for this background also. Okay, now drag in another button, so I will copy paste it so it will be more easier. The shortcut key for it is Ctrl C plus Ctrl V. Then it will be of crow. The ID will be CROW sound. The space not works here. Okay, so you have to give as you have to give like this space, so we can get it. So now here go as crow. Okay, and now I don't need to increase its size because I have copied this and pasted. Okay, now again Control do V. No, then Control C plus Control V. Then again drag this dolphin. Now we will take it as a cartoon sound, and for this as CARTOON, cartoon. Okay, now this. Okay, now I will give you an idea about code. You have to drag on event block from UL controls, and ID will be elephant or anything you want. If you choose elephant sound, the idea of this button is elephant sound. Means if you click on elephant sound, then what to do? To do, we have to make a sound. So play sound. Choose, and I will give you a shortcut that ELEPH. Okay, this much is enough. Okay, then choose it. Okay, now remain it false only. Don't make it true, because if you click on true, then it will sound again and again, and it will never stop. Okay, and don't do anything for click also. It is a function that if we press, if you make a key up and then run, see, it will not work. But on laptop, if I press up key, okay, so don't do anything for this. I will here make it. You can do it from the text also, or you can make it, you can do from there. CLICK. Okay, this is enough. So see, here click is there. Okay, click. Okay, now we have to do same thing. Control C, Control V, Control V. Okay, now again go on event, then choose the ID of dolphin, then get where it is. Yeah, play sound of which, of dolphin. So search here for DOL. Okay, now again go for the on event, and always remember these blocks never copied and or copied or paste. Okay, then we can, second is chrono. Okay, but if you want, then you can do that, go in text, or you can copy this like this. Control C, Control V, and Control V. You can do like this. Okay, here is crow. You don't want crow. Take as cartoon sound. Okay, now make it CARTOON. Cartoon. And do we have the idea of like the idea is like this? Let's check. Wait a minute. Something went wrong. Okay, wait a minute. It is something wrong. So it is something wrong. Then go for crow sound and find the play sound. Then it will be crow, no? So go here and search for CROW. It is of 14 seconds. You can see the time here. Okay, it is of 14 seconds. Okay, so we will not play. Then again go on event. What was our ID? That ID was the cartoon sound on click. Then play sound. Then choose. Then what it will be? Then CARTOON. Then cartoon or laser. We can search as well. Laser. Okay. I will. Which we can. Yes. Okay, just as this. Then now run the app. See. Then see of dolphin. It is on laptop. It works as to change the button. It works as a tab also. And it is off pro that we save that we set, and it is off 14 seconds to reset it, run it again, or see the cartoon. Okay, thank you. And our project done. You can increase the buttons also this much you want, and I will give you. Okay, now see the magic. Okay. Mm, remove this. Copy this. Control C plus Control V. And see what happens now. Color. And here also change the COLOUR. Okay. Now wire this. Okay. Looking nice. Then if you want, then change the color as light. Okay, you can increase the buttons also. Now see here, go on event and then see, find the color, then go in set property, find the block of set property. ID will be screen 1. Okay, and width will, this is not, this will be background color. Choose your own color that I like blue. So see the magic. Okay, now it is changing only the one color. Okay, so we want it many. So just do one thing. Put the RGB in the blue block and put it at 255. Tab 255. Tab 255. Or do nothing else. I will show you the magic. See the magic after it. Then go in math section. Then drag the random number. Then put it as 55 to 999. Here also put as 55 tab 999. Again drag one block of this. So okay, now drag this again. Put it here 55 tab 999. Okay, now see the magic. What it does. Okay. Oh, what happened? Yeah. It is changing his color. Yeah. He's changing his color again and again. Yeah, on every click. Okay, now in the next video we are going to learn how to make a basic game using the Spirit game lab. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share my channel, share my video. Thanks a lot. Once again, I'm Parijat Kulkarni from Codemaster. Thank you.